Welcome. This is 404 Enigma team. My name is Rahul Mansharamani. I am the team leader of 404 Enigma, and these are my teammates.
Hello, I am Prakhar Agarwal.
Hello, I am Pratyush Jain.
Hey, I am Shudhanshu Pandey.
So we built a web platform known as Clinica. So what it does, it is a platform that can be used to provide generic medicines at a cheaper price to patients under the government India Jan Aushadhi scheme. So it tackles the problem of weak supply chain using artificial intelligence and bridges the poor distinction between the price of branded and generic medicines by building a specific platform for selling medicines. So this is our homepage. Now, if we go to login, so the whole web app is secured by Google OAuth 2.0. Now, if we click on sign in with Google, it will be redirected to OAuth 2.0 and we have to select an ID and then we are logging to our web app. So it is the medical drug list page where all the drug lists in our database have been listed here and all the listed drugs have a similar category that have stored in the database. So we used Firebase as a database. So now we can go to next page, that is details. If we click details of paracetamol medicine, now we prompted to the details page. So here two things are happening. First, the details of the whole medicine is shown here, and the second, we have depicted an AI machine learning algorithm. From that, we predict sales of a current month. So how it works is we take the date of a current month and we calculate the difference from the data that we have stored in our database, and we have a record of 5 to 6 years of database. So now if we go to back, if we go to cart page, so this is just a prototype for now. This is not a dynamic page, and we have added add to cart feature and all the listed features are there. Now, if we go to customer page, so we have to go to URL/customer. So this is the customer page, and here again two things are happening. All the medicines are listed, and the main thing is here is we have given the difference between branded and generic price. So the main motto of this is what price is to be listed under generic and branded. So the person can get an idea, and vendor can add to the cart. The add to cart feature is again prototype based. Okay. And if we go to homepage again, page details page, we have an emergency stock where we can take the quantity and save it to our database. So we just enter a quantity and save it. Now, the whole purpose of this idea is to predict the output, predict the sales to increase the production. So the value shown here is 107.96. So how this is coming? We have built a private API built by us only, and in that ML algorithm is depicted, and the value of current month is given, and all the values from 4 to 5 months, 4 to 5 year is calculated, and the difference is calculated, and by that model the predicted output is 107.96 shown here. Now predict sales per month. Now down below the yellow box. So this is our future planning that we can implement. This is just a prototype now, and we can implement a future based prediction of how many sales are to be predicted here. So this has to be done. Now if we go to homepage again, so here are generic medicines. So the whole purpose is to differentiate between generic and normal medicines. Okay, so now we move on to the database part. So this is authentication. We have provided Google R2. So these are authenticated people here listed down below. Now, if we move to the Firestore part, that is our main database. So we have stored all the entries, all the categories of the medicine, like paracetamol, crocin, chloroquine, Benadryl. Now the drug list, stock, users, all the lists are there. And the category, the main thing is category. So medicines come under a particular category and they are distinguished on the purpose of their category on which they are lying. These are the vendor users and these are the customers. So here our demo is end, comes to an end.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.